Hey there! Welcome back to Appsolute, where we talk about everything AI, machine learning, and the latest in software tools to help you stay ahead of the curve. My name is Ugwu Favor, and I'm here to simplify tech and show you how to use it to your advantage. Today, we're checking out one of the most exciting topics in tech: how you can make money using AI in 2025. Whether you're a total beginner or someone looking to scale an existing side hustle, I've got practical tips and tools that anyone can use to start earning. And here's the best part: most of these tools are either free or super affordable, so there's no need to break the bank. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's get started. While everyone's busy with popular tools like ChatGPT, Canva, or MidJourney, they're not always the best fit for every task. Sometimes, the lesser-known tools can do the job just as well, if not better. These hidden gems often offer similar, or even better features at a fraction of the cost. They're less crowded, which means less competition if you're using them for freelancing or business. Plus, some of these tools have unique features that can give you an edge. By using these hidden gems, you can save money on subscriptions, avoid competition by offering unique services, explore niche capabilities that mainstream tools might not have. Let's break down 5 underrated AI tools and how they can help you make money. Alright, let's kick things off with Copy.ai. Now, you might have heard of tools like ChatGPT, but Copy.ai is a hidden gem that's perfect for content creators, especially when it comes to marketing. It's not as widely talked about, but trust me, it's a game changer for crafting high-converting copy. Whether you're a business owner, a freelancer, or someone just looking to level up their content creation game, this tool is for you. So, what can Copy.ai do? Well, it's designed specifically for writing marketing copy. That means if you're struggling to write compelling ad copy, email campaigns, or product descriptions, Copy.ai is going to save you a ton of time and effort. It even helps you create social media posts that actually convert. Imagine crafting a post that not only grabs attention but gets people clicking and engaging. That's what Copy.ai is all about. Now, let's talk pricing. Copy.ai offers a free plan with basic features, so you can start experimenting without any commitment. But if you're serious about scaling your content creation, the starter plan starts at $49 per month. Trust me, it's worth every penny when you see how much time it saves you. How can you monetize this? Well, here's where it gets interesting. You can start offering copywriting services to small businesses that need help with their marketing. Whether it's writing ad copy, email sequences, or landing pages, small businesses are always on the lookout for affordable and effective ways to grow. You can also create and sell email templates or ad scripts. Imagine having a collection of high-converting templates you can sell to marketers or businesses. And here's a fun idea: use Copy.ai to craft high-converting sales pages for your own products or services. With its ability to generate persuasive copy, you could build an entire sales funnel that drives conversions without spending hours writing every single line. So, whether you're looking to boost your content creation or start a side hustle, Copy.ai is a tool you definitely want in your toolkit. Now, let's talk about the second tool, which is Designs.ai. If you've heard of Canva, you'll love this tool. It's like Canva's lesser-known cousin, but with a twist. What sets Designs.ai apart is its AI-powered features that make graphic design super easy, even for beginners. Seriously, you don't need to be a design pro to create stunning visuals. You can create logos, banners, and eye-catching social media posts in just minutes. But that's not all. Designs.ai also has many other features like an AI video maker and many more. You can take your script, feed it into the tool, and it'll automatically turn it into a polished video. Talk about saving time, right? If you need explainer videos, promotional content, or YouTube intros, this AI video maker has got your back. Now, let's talk pricing. Designs.ai starts at $12 per month, which is pretty affordable considering all the features it offers. And if you're not sure yet, there's a free trial available so you can test it out before committing. How can you monetize with Designs.ai? Here's the exciting part. You can offer logo design services on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy. Many small businesses are always looking for affordable, custom logos, and with Designs.ai, you can deliver professional results in no time. You can also create and sell pre-made social media templates. A lot of businesses and influencers need ready-to-use designs, and you can make these templates available for sale. And don't forget about the AI video maker. You can use it to produce explainer videos for clients. Explainer videos are in high demand, especially for businesses looking to explain their products or services in a simple and engaging way. With Designs.ai, you can offer this as a service, helping businesses create content that converts. So, if you want to dive into graphic design, create video content, or start a side hustle, Designs.ai is a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal. Moving on, we have Durable, a game changer for all the entrepreneurs out there. If you've ever wanted to create a professional website without all the hassle, this tool is exactly what you need. With Durable, you can create a fully functional website in under a minute using AI. That's right, no coding skills required, no design experience needed, just a few clicks and you're good to go. So, what exactly does Durable do? It's a website builder that doesn't just create the structure of your site. It generates the entire website for you, including both the copy and design. That means you'll get a polished, professional site ready to go in no time. And it doesn't stop there. Durable comes with built-in tools for SEO and analytics, so you can make sure your website is optimized for search engines and track how it's performing, all from one platform. Now, let's talk about pricing. You can start with a free trial, so you can test it out and see how it works for you. After that, the paid plans start at just $15 per month, which is super affordable for what you get. If you're someone who's serious about getting a website up and running quickly, Durable is definitely worth considering. How can you monetize with Durable? Here's the exciting part. You can start a website building service for small businesses. Many small businesses need a website but don't have the time or resources to create one themselves. With Durable, you can offer them an affordable and quick solution, creating professional websites in no time. You can also build your own niche websites. Whether it's a blog, affiliate site, or a product-based site, you can create these websites and generate passive income through ads or affiliate marketing. So, if you're looking to go into website creation, offer a service, or start generating passive income, Durable is a fantastic tool to help you get there quickly and efficiently. DeepL. If you're into translation or working with international clients, you absolutely need to check out DeepL. Now, we all know about Google Translate, but DeepL takes it to the next level. It's known for its superior accuracy, especially when it comes to business or creative writing. If you've ever struggled with translations that sound robotic or awkward, DeepL is here to change that. So, what exactly does DeepL do? Well, it's not just a simple translation tool. It translates documents, emails, and even entire websites with a level of precision that you won't find in other tools. What's even better is that it offers different tone options. Whether you need a formal tone for business communication or a casual tone for more friendly content, DeepL has got you covered. This makes it perfect for a wide range of uses, from professional emails to creative writing projects. Now, let's talk about pricing. DeepL offers a free version that works great for basic translations. But if you're looking for more features, like translating large documents or accessing the premium tone options, the starter plans start at just $10 per month. For the quality you're getting, that's a steal. How can you monetize with DeepL? Here's where it gets interesting. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer translation services to businesses or content creators who need help reaching international audiences. Whether it's translating product descriptions, marketing materials, or even video scripts, there's a big demand for accurate translations. You can also use DeepL to localize your own digital products. If you're selling an ebook, online course, or software, translating it into different languages can open up new markets for you. By localizing your products, you can tap into international customers who might not have been able to access your content otherwise. So, if you're looking to offer translation services, expand your own digital products globally, or just need a reliable tool for accurate translations, DeepL is a must-have in your toolkit. Last but definitely not least, we've got Stockimg.ai, an AI tool that's perfect for anyone who needs custom stock images and designs. If you're an author, marketer, or designer, this tool is a total game changer. Instead of spending hours searching for the perfect stock image, you can now generate exactly what you need in minutes. So, what can Stockimg.ai do? It allows you to generate stock photos, book covers, posters, and so much more. Whether you're working on a marketing campaign, creating visual content for social media, or designing a book cover, this tool has you covered. The best part? You can customize the images to fit your exact needs. No more settling for generic stock photos that don't quite hit the mark. Stockimg.ai lets you create visuals that are tailored to your project. Now, let's talk about pricing. Stockimg.ai offers a free trial, so you can test it out and see how it fits with your workflow. After that, the paid plans start at just $19 per month, which is super affordable for the quality of images you get. Plus, considering how much time you'll save, it's definitely worth the investment. How can you monetize with Stockimg.ai? Here's where things get exciting. You can start by selling your stock images or designs on platforms like Shutterstock or Etsy. Many people are looking for unique and high-quality images, and you can create and sell your own collection. If you're into design, this is a great way to make passive income by uploading your work to these platforms. Another awesome way to monetize is by creating book covers for self-published authors. Many authors are looking for affordable, professional-looking covers, and with Stockimg.ai, you can easily design custom covers that stand out. If you have a knack for design, this could be a great side hustle, especially as the self-publishing industry continues to grow. So, whether you're looking to sell stock images, create book covers, or just need custom designs for your own projects, Stockimg.ai is a fantastic tool to have in your creative toolkit. Bonus tips for using these AI tools. Now that you've got the tools, here are a few bonus tips to help you succeed. Test before you invest. Most of these tools have free trials. Use them to see if they fit your needs. Start small. Offer your services to friends or local businesses to build your portfolio. Upgrade and market yourself. Whether you're freelancing or selling products, a presentation matters. Use platforms like LinkedIn or social media to showcase your work. Combine tools. Mix and match these AI tools to create unique, high-value services or products. And that's it. 5 hidden gem AI tools that can help you make money in 2025. These tools may not be as popular as ChatGPT or Canva because of how underrated they are, but they can give you an edge in the market. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And hey, drop a comment below. Which tool are you most excited to try? Or do you know of any other hidden gems that deserve a shout out? Let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's make 2025 your most profitable year yet.